Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel and Radha online classes. Today I am going to take class 7th and the chapter we are doing is exponent and powers. इसमें हम लोग कर रहे थे exercise 13.2 and the question we are doing today is question number 4. Here you have to express as the product of prime factors. Here you can see the product of two numbers, but what you have to do, you have to express this in the as a product of prime factors in exponential form. Okay, whatever your answer will be, that will be in exponential form. अब हम इसको पहले क्या करेंगे, फैक्टराइज करेंगे, इसको डिवाइड करेंगे into prime factors. So let's start this 108. तो 108 का LCM आप साइड में निकालोगे 108. This is 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, then 3 9s are, then 3 3s are, and then 3 1s are. Right? इसी तरह in the same way we will take out the LCM of 192. This is 2 9s are 18 and 2 6s are 12. Then 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. Then 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 6s are 12. Then 2 3s are, and then 3. Okay, so it is 192 के factors, prime factors ये हैं and 108 के prime factors ये हैं. So write down first 108 के prime factors. We can write 1 2. 2 times 2 is there. So we can write in this way. और सबसे पहले आप वहीं से नोट कर लें इसको 3 into 3, right? This is 108. उसके बाद हम लोग आते हैं multiply 192 के देखो. This is 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and what? Into 3. Okay, so let's start doing this. अब देखो ये first 2k means 1 and 2 times 2 is there, so we can write it in this way. And 3 count 1 2 3 into 3 raised to the power 3, that is 3 cube. So ये इसके prime factors हो गए and multiplied by what? 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 times, so 2 is 6 times, so 2 raised to the power 6 into 3 is 1 time only, so it will be like this only. अच्छा, फिर again just come back to law of exponent, use that. multiplication है, so like terms हम एक जगह ले लेंगे. base is 2, तो I have taken over here 2 raised to the power 2 के साथ I have taken 2 raised to the power 6 into, now इसका 3 का ग्रुप बना लेंगे. 3 cube into 3 raised to the power 1. So children, here which law we will use? Product वाला law use करेंगे. bases are same, then we are going to add the exponents. Yes, so it will be 2. base हमने common ले लिया and powers को हमने add कर लिया, right? Just add up the powers. Now let's come to this another part. This is 3 raised to the power what? 3. Then plus 1. This is equal to 2 raised to the power. Now see, 2 plus 6 is what? 8 into 3 raised to the power 4. So what is your answer? Your answer is 2 raised to the power 8 into 3 raised to the power 4. Here is the answer, means product of prime factors in exponential form. Here is your answer. So in this way children, you have to do the questions. Let's do. It's a second part, I think. In second part also you have to find out LCM. वो भी आप कर सकते हैं. मैं आपको एक और क्वेश्चन करके दिखा देती हूँ. That and the third part is also just like this only. You have to find out the prime factors. फिर उसका product करके देखेंगे. Let's do its second part. The second part I am just doing. Third part is similar to this, and the second part I am doing, that is similar to fourth part. So let's do second part. See children, here is 270. 270 का LCM I have taken out here. 135 are, then add किया. 3 से divisible होगा, 2 से तो नहीं होगा. Why? Because unit place is 5. 3 से divide करेंगे, we will get 45. Then again with 3, then again with 3, then with 5. Okay, so what are its prime factors? Write down that 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So it will be 2 raised to the power 1 only into 3 raised to the power 1 2 3. Okay, into 5 raised to the power 1. So this is the this in this way we can express this number as the product of prime factors. So children, I think this is clear to you. Now let's come to its very important question of this exercise, that is question number 5. Question number 5 का first part मैं आपको यहाँ करा रही हूँ, just watch that. See children, here is only written simplify, means exponential form में आप आंसर निकालें, it's not compulsory, आप पूरा उसको solve भी कर सकते हैं. See, the question is 2 raised to the power 5 and whole bracket 2 main square into 7 raised to the power 3, that means 7 cube, divided by 8 raised to the power 3, that is into 7. Okay, so how you will solve it? Firstly, so you note down this only. Then second thing, what we will do, see, what we will do with the exponent, we will do multiplication of that. So let's 5 2s are 10. I have directly written it 10 into 7 cube, right? Now here 8 को हम divide कर सकते हैं into the factors, into its prime factors. So it will be 8 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 means 2 का cube is 8 and outside also it is cube. So let it be cube only. Here it is 7. Okay. Now see, this one is, see this one. अब ये क्या हो रहा है? डिवाइड हो रहा है, बेसिस आर सेम. वन मोर थिंग, एक और स्टेप हम इसमें करेंगे. 2 रेज टू द पावर 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 रेज टू द पावर, पहले इसको करेंगे हम सॉल्व. 3 3s are 9. It will be 9 into 7 raised to the power 3 into 7 raised to the power what? 1. 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती. Okay. Then 2. Now see this one. अब हम कर लेंगे, bases are same and division is there, that means we have to subtract the powers. So this is 10 minus 9 into 7, 3 minus 1. So in bracket write down AM divided by AN equals to AM minus N. Always you have to write the law. Okay. Then here also the law is used, that is AM whole N is equal to A M into N. You have to write it. Okay. Next is what? This is 2 raised to the power 10 minus 9 is 1. No need to write 1 into 7 raised to the power what? 2. So what is our answer? See, 7 7s are 49. So it will be 2 9s are 18. 2 4s are 8 and 9. 98 is our answer. If you are writing this, this is also correct. So in this way children, you have to do the simplification. Second and third parts are very important. It will take time. I'll tell you in my next video, in the next class. So keep watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. आप अगर सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, बेल आइकन दबाएंगे, तो आपको अपडेटेड वीडियोस टाइम पे मिलती रहेंगी. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.